Okay, I'm doing a little different twist on the hat. This is like old school gangsta style, what can I say? It's something that I felt necessary to address in case this person, I was about to say gentleman, but the word gentleman is really not that appropriate. Hair's bothering me. Okay, I know how to drive stick shift, all right? But when you drive a stick shift car, even as cool as Ford Fiesta Cupcake is, and am I, if you're on a steep hill, there's backup edges. You know what I'm saying? Backup edges is where I backage it up, okay? I can't help it. If I'm on a hill, the car's gonna slope down a bit. So if you're behind me and you're this close to my bumper, that's not a good idea. And you're gonna piss me off. And guess what? Even if I wasn't in a stick shift car, you shouldn't be that up on my bumper anyway, because I didn't ask you to be. So, to the gentleman, and I use the term loosely, sadly he can find out where I live, but anyway, to the gentleman that was behind me when I was on the hill the other day and having some issues because I didn't realize I was in third gear instead of first, and yes, that's a Kelly Alexa airhead moment, I give you that, okay? I was talking to Miranda and it was her fault, and she will admit that. She will come on here and she will admit it to you, it was her fault. So, okay, but still, when you're on a hill, people, you should give people some space. Let's all give each other space, okay? Some of us are, you know, we're commitment phobes, where I'm not ready to tow you. I don't have a tow truck extension on the back of Cupcake. I'm not saying, hitch a ride, baby. Get closer, get closer. Get a grip and get some distance. Move it along. Have a great day.